Welcome back everyone to another episode. Last time we spent $25 per night, and this time we only spent $15 per night. And let's see what the room's gonna look like if we spend only $15 per night. Even though this is a budget hotel, they executed everything very well. And what do I mean by that? For example, I walked in and the room smelled so nice. It was clean. It just gave me a good feeling. Another thing that I noticed right away, internet's working fine, better than at the last hotel. Also, they have a universal plug, so you don't need an adapter.
In the closet, you can find 2 bathrobes, 1 safe, and in total 4 towels. I took 2 out already, and underneath is the fridge. They also have a laundry basket where you can send your laundry. It's only 20,000 dong per kg. It's around 80 cents. They have a motorbike rental as well, 120k per day. That's roughly $5.
Look at all the stuff that you get for free. What do we have here? Toothbrush, a comb, even a razor, and that's at a budget hotel. I mean, $15 per night and you get all of this stuff. I remember in Germany, when I traveled with Kamm, we paid 60, 70 euros and we didn't get anything, not even water. I'm amazed by the great service that you get in Vietnam. One thing that isn't ideal in this room is the TV. It's kind of in a dead space and basically useless unless you want to watch TV like this. I don't know. It's attached to the wall, you can't move it, but that is just one tiny thing that I don't like about this room. This room doesn't come with breakfast, but I still think for $15 it's a great deal. Also the location, it's in walkable distance to the beach. I think I can actually see the beach from here, from my room, and I would guess that it's 200 meters to the beach. The hotel is at a quiet road, but if you just walk 100, 200 meters, then you get to the main road, to the beach, where you can find restaurants and other stuff. If you want to know what $100 buys you in Danang, just click the link on screen, and I hope to see you in that episode. Bye-bye.